Hi guys, Ben here from Vicon Transfers. Now, do I need a sub-block when using ultra-colour transfers? Now, what we need to understand is what a sub-block does and what type of fabrics that's important for. Now, a sub-block layer in our transfers is a black layer that goes on behind the transfer. It stops dye migration. That's a chemical dye migration from sublimated inks, okay? So let's look at these two fabrics right here. They're both polyesters, okay? So it's not just because it's a polyester it needs a sub-block, it's sublimated polyester where the problems really lie. So this is a high-vis vest. It's just a high bright polyester. That does not need a sub-block at all, okay? You're fine just putting any transfer onto there. White backing, ultra-colour transfer onto this garment would be perfectly fine. Looking at this garment right here though, this is a Western United shirt here. Now, if we have a look, how do we know if it's actually sublimated? Well, if it's bright colours on the outside, but it's white on the inside, so it's only printed on one side, that means the fabric typically, that's been sublimation printed, okay? Now, sublimation printing of this garment is done using heat, okay? And that's how it gets the ink to bond in with the actual fibres themselves. By putting this onto a heat press and heat pressing it with our transfers, what we're doing is we're almost, think about it as reversing that reaction, okay? We're reactivating that dye, and that dye, what it wants to do is actually migrate through the backing of our transfer, and it wants to come and discolour the front of that transfer. So what do we do about that? Well, we put our special black layer on there. It's designed to stop that dye coming through, meaning the front of the transfer, the colour that you can see, there's no discoloration whatsoever. When is it important? On sublimated fabric, okay? And again, mostly sports orientation is where sublimation fabrics are, but if you have a look on the inside and it's white, that's where we'd be wanting to use a sub-block transfer on the front of this garment. Any other questions, guys? Or check out our other videos for more information.